Ever wondered which SUVs are built to last? Well, some SUVs aren't just built to drive, they're built to last a lifetime. Want a ride that'll keep going no matter what? You've come to the right place. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel, Road Kings and Rust, where horsepower meets knowledge. Today we're diving into 5 SUVs built to outlast time. These aren't just cars, they're icons designed to go the distance, no matter how tough the road ahead. Stick around because one of these vehicles has been dominating the streets for years, and you won't believe why. Let's get into it. Number 1. Subaru Forester. So, are you looking for a simple, reliable SUV built to last? Well, the 2019 to 2021 Subaru Forester might just be exactly what you need. This generation of Forester is one of the most well-balanced and dependable compact SUV Subarus that has been built in the last decade. It's not about flashy features or high-tech gimmicks, it's all about practicality and reliability. Subaru decided to ditch the turbocharged engine in this model, and honestly that was a solid move. The 2.5 flat-4 boxer engine it runs on might not blow you away with raw power, but it's more than enough for daily drives, road trips, and hauling your gear. The 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, it gets the job done without breaking a sweat. The ride is smooth, and the Forester handles highways and city streets like a pro. Subaru didn't just focus on the engine. They stiffened up the chassis, cleaned up the design, and kept everything simple. No distractions, just straight up performance. The result? A tough, practical SUV that keeps running long after others have quit. We've seen plenty of these Foresters well past 150,000 miles, with nothing but routine maintenance. Take care of it, and you're looking at an easy 200,000 to 300,000 miles. Under the hood, the engine uses Subaru's FB25D design, which brings in direct injection and a chain-driven cam. This means no more messing around with timing belts, making it a smoother and more efficient engine compared to the older models. And that's a win in terms of longevity. But don't get too relaxed. You still need to keep up with the oil changes. Stick to high-quality synthetic oil and stay on schedule. If you skip it, you could run into carbon buildup from the direct injection system, which can cause problems down the road. Now let's talk about the ride. The Forester isn't a luxury SUV, but it doesn't need to be. It has comfortable seating and enough room for passengers and cargo. This visibility is excellent, and getting in and out is a breeze. Older models like the 2014 and 2015 versions were praised for their spacious rear seats and large cargo space. And that's something Subaru kept in mind as they improved the 2019 and 2021 models. It's a no-fuss SUV that gets everything right when it comes to daily practicality. Another standout feature is the tech. The infotainment system was upgraded significantly in 2016 with Subaru's Starlink touchscreen. By 2019, it offered even better handling and great fuel economy, around 28 miles per gallon, and the eyesight safety feature became standard. These include forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, which really add peace of mind on the road. Fast forward to the 2025 model and the Forester has only gotten better. The engine is quieter, fuel economy is improved to 29 miles per gallon, and the ride is as smooth as ever. The front seats are comfy, though some taller drivers might find the bottom cushion a bit short. Plus, there's now a hybrid version on the way. For those who love a little off-roading, the Wilderness trim adds extra capability. All in all, the 2019-2021 Subaru Forester model is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, no-nonsense SUV that can handle whatever life throws its way, whether driving through the city or heading off the beaten path. This Forester is built to last, mile after mile. If you're finding these SUV picks helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe for more straight-talking advice on the best rides out there. Now let's dive into the next one. Number 2. Honda CR-V, 2007 to 2011. If you're considering a slightly older option, the 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V might just be what you're after. Let's take a closer look at how it stacks up. The Honda CR-V from 2007 to 2011 is a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable, practical, and fuel-efficient compact SUV. This generation of CR-V is known for its simplicity and dependability, which is why so many owners love it. Whether commuting to work or taking a road trip, it offers a smooth, comfortable ride without any fuss. One of the best things about the 2007 to 2011 CR-V is its fuel efficiency. Despite being an SUV, it doesn't drink gas like some others in its class. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine gives you good power for everyday driving, without guzzling gas. It's also surprisingly easy to drive and park, thanks to its compact size and great handling. Inside, the CR-V is spacious and practical. It comfortably seats 5 people, and the back seats have plenty of room for adults or kids. If you need more cargo space, the rear seats fold down flat, making it easier to haul larger items. The interior is simple, with easy-to-use controls so you won't get lost trying to figure out how things work. Another great thing about the CR-V is its reliability. These vehicles are built to last, and many owners report having no major issues even after 150,000 miles. With regular maintenance, you can expect the CR-V to keep running smoothly for years, possibly even hitting 200,000 or even 300,000 miles if you take good care of it. Safety is another strong point. This generation of CR-V comes equipped with standard safety features like anti-lock brakes, stability control, front seat side airbags, and full-length curtain airbags. In crash tests, it performed well, giving drivers and passengers extra peace of mind. Some trims also include a rear-view camera, which adds another layer of convenience when backing up. Overall, the 2007 to 2011 CR-V is a reliable choice, especially if you're looking for a low-maintenance, fuel-efficient SUV. It's an excellent option for families, commuters, or anyone who needs a practical ride. Just make sure to check the air conditioning, oil levels, and tires when considering a used one. If you take care of it, this CR-V will keep running strong for many miles to come. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. If you're someone who loves road trips, weekend adventures, or just a solid, reliable SUV that can handle pretty much anything, Toyota Land Cruiser is a name worth knowing. It's one of those vehicles that's been trusted for years, for good reason. It's tough, capable, and surprisingly comfortable. Let's start with how it drives. Land Cruisers have a powerful hybrid setup with 326 horsepower and a whopping 465 pound-feet of torque. The translation? It has the strength to pull heavy gear, climb steep trails, or just glide down the highway with ease. It's not about being flashy, it's about getting the job done and doing it well. And yes, it's made for adventure. The Land Cruiser comes with full-time 4-wheel drive, which means it's always ready for harsh roads. It also has innovative off-road features like a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select for different surfaces, and even crawl control that helps the car move slowly and smoothly over tough ground. Whether you're hitting the mountains or just dealing with a snowy driveway, this SUV's got your back. Plus, it can tow up to 6,000 pounds, so bring the boat, trailer, or whatever else you got. While it's built to handle the rough stuff, the Land Cruiser doesn't forget about comfort. The outside has a cool throwback look with modern touches. Round or square headlights depending on the trim, a bold Toyota grille, and an optional 2-tone paint that gives it a sporty vibe. Roof rails and fog lights aren't just for looks either. They're super practical when you're packing up for the weekend. Step inside and it's a whole nother level. The cabin feels strong but still cozy. You get available leather trim heated and ventilated seats, 3-zone climate control to keep everyone happy, and even a center console that can chill your drinks. There's also a smart key system, and with a Remote Connect subscription, you can unlock the car with your phone. Pretty slick. Staying connected is easy too. The touchscreen system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so your music, maps, and texts are right there, and no cords are needed. There's also a wireless phone charger and a 2400-watt inverter to power everything. And if you're into great sound, the JBL audio system with 14 speakers is perfect for road trip playlists. Safety-wise, Toyota packed this model with all the good stuff: automatic emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and more. You're covered whether you're cruising through traffic or heading off the grid. All in all, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the kind of SUV that's ready for anything. Adventure, everyday errands, long road trips, and everything in between. It's strong, intelligent, and built to last. Let's keep it real. Picking the right SUV isn't always easy. With so many options, it's easy to fall for the wrong advice. But knowing which ones are built to last can save you big in the long run. What do you think? Which SUV would you take for the long haul? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if this video's helped you find your next ride, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. More solid car reviews and tips are coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. Now let's talk about a different SUV that blends family-friendly practicality with reliable performance. The Toyota Highlander might just be what you need. If you've ever packed for a weekend trip, dealt with strollers, snacks, sports gear, and still needed passenger space, you already know how important a smart layout is. The Highlander gives you 3 rows of flexible seating, so everyone fits and no one's squished. It's roomy without feeling like a bus, perfect for busy families or anyone who needs that extra space. Now let's talk reliability, because the Highlander doesn't play around. It holds a 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. That's the highest possible score. This SUV is made to go the distance, with fewer breakdowns and less stress over time. Whether you're driving it for 5 or 15 years, it's built to last. Then there's the hybrid option. That's where things get really interesting. Most SUVs this size burn through gas fast, not the Highlander Hybrid. It gets an impressive 36 miles per gallon combined. So whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands all day, you'll be saving on fuel, while still driving something big and capable. Comfort is another win here. The Highlander is smooth, quiet, and comfortable. Whether you're in the front seat or all the way in the back, it's great for long trips, traffic-heavy commutes, or just hauling the whole crew around town. Toyota also loads this SUV with innovative safety features. Toyota's Safety Sense comes standard, giving you helpful tech like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. It's the kind of peace of mind every driver wants. And what's all this going to cost? A brand new Highlander starts around $35,000, an excellent deal for everything you're getting. Check out the reviews, owners love it. The Highlander has a 5 out of 5 owner satisfaction rating, and for good reason. It's spacious, efficient, safe, and built to last. If you're looking for a family SUV that checks all the boxes, the Highlander is a top pick, no question. Don't forget to share this video with your car shopping friends, and if you're curious about more tips to find the perfect ride, stick around till the end for our last top pick. Number 5. Lexus GX 460. Finally, an SUV that effortlessly blends luxury and rugged durability. The Lexus GX 460 sits right at the top. This isn't just another fancy ride. It's an SUV designed to go the distance, and owners absolutely love it for that reason. What sets the GX 460 apart is its unmatched reliability. Regularly earning high marks from sources like JD Power and Consumer Reports, this SUV is built to last. In fact, it's common for owners to see well over 200,000 miles on the odometer, with just routine maintenance. If you're looking for a vehicle that won't leave you stranded, this one has your back. Inside, the GX 460 offers that signature Lexus luxury. Soft touch materials, a whisper quiet cabin, and a sleek modern design makes it a pleasure to drive. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or taking the family on a long road trip, comfort is guaranteed. Plus, it's tough enough to handle off-road challenges with ease, thanks to its body-on-frame construction, which ensures both strength and smooth performance. Under the hood, you've got a 4.6-liter V8 engine that perfectly balances power and control. It's not the fastest SUV, and it's built to handle anything, from highway driving to rough trails, without breaking a sweat. And of course, it's loaded with tech. The GX 460 features a top-notch infotainment system. That's a solid suite of safety features, including lane departure alerts, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. This means you get all the luxury and peace of mind you could ask for. If you want an SUV that combines performance, reliability, and luxury, the Lexus GX 460 should be at the top of your list. It's built to last and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So there you have it, 5 SUVs that are built to last and keep on going for the long haul. Whether you're after luxury, reliability, or just a ride that's tough enough for any road, these SUVs have got you covered. Which one of these caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, and we'd love to hear which one you think is the ultimate road warrior. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews, car tips, and everything you need to make the right choice for your next ride. Catch you in the next one.